DAJA DJ6 Pro Rotary Axis mobile phone tutorial. First, lay the machine down. Next, we install the heightening column. After installation, lift the machine up. Rotating shaft. Connection cable with the machine. The width of the rotating shaft, the Coke bottle fits perfectly on it. But if we put lipstick tubes in, it would be too wide. We need to loosen this. Move this rotating shaft inside. Use the smallest hexagon wrench in the toolkit. Loosen this screw. Then we lift this rotating shaft, lift it up a little bit, and move it to this side. Then put the loosened screw back in place. Tighten it. This is done. Then put the lipstick tube on, and it's just right. Next, insert this end of the connecting cable into the rotating shaft, and the other end into the machine. Put the rotating shaft under the machine. Don't put it too far inside. Put the lipstick on. The position of the rotating shaft can be adjusted. Next, focus the laser head. Turn the fixed block 90 degrees backward. Hold the laser head with one hand. Then loosen the knob that fixes the laser head. Adjust the height of the laser head. When the fixed focus block touches the highest point of the carving, tighten the knob that fixes the laser head. Then put away the fixed focus block. Focusing is done. Text carving. Click on the text and enter the content to be engraved. Fill, bare, italic, bold. Here you can change the font. The lower right corner of the text box is for zooming. The upper right corner is for rotation. The lock in the lower left corner is unlocked. It enables non-proportional scaling. When it is locked, it enables proportional scaling. The upper left corner is to delete. Enter another text. We use fill to engrave. Next step. Here is also for zooming in and out. You can enter accurate values next to it. This is proportional scaling because regardless of whether the width or height is input first, the other one will change. If proportional scaling is not required, you need to return to the editing interface. Enter the size. Rotating shaft. This should be checked. Otherwise, the rotation axis will not move during carving. The lower the preview brightness, the smaller the light. The higher, the larger the light during preview. If the preview light is too large, it will leave a shallow preview mark. Just adjust it to 5. Click the box to position the preview position. After the position is determined, next step, laser power, the material of the leather. Too high power will easily engrave through. 30 power is enough. Engraving speed, speed 80, the engraving material reference table. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Engraving number 1 time, high clarity. After confirming the parameters and position, just click Start Carving. Wood carving. Objects of different heights need to be refocused. Let's carve a word on the wooden cylinder. Select Fill, change the font and engrave it. If we carve horizontally, and it will look like this after carving, click the upper right corner to rotate. Let's carve it vertically. Next step. Check the rotation axis to engrave. Adjust the size. Click the box to position and preview the position. Return to the editing interface. Adjust the position. If the position is still wrong, manually move the laser head. Click the box to preview the position. After confirming, click Next. Laser power, power 50. Engraving speed 80. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Engraving once, high clarity. After confirming the parameters and position, just click Start Carving. Replace the red laser head. Turn the machine upside down. Lift the laser head a little. Loosen the knob that fixes the laser head. Slide the laser head down. Unplug the machine's connection cable to the laser head. Then plug the machine's connection cable into the red light head. Lift the red laser head with the machine slide rail. Align the slide rail with the machine slide rail. Tighten the knob to fix the laser head. This is done. Put the metal lipstick tube on the machine. Focus and engrave. Put down the fixed focus block of the laser head. Hold the laser head with one hand. Then loosen the knob that fixes the laser head. Adjust the height of the laser head when the fixed focus block touches the highest point of the tube. Tighten the knob to fix the laser head. Then put away the fixed focus block. This is a focus adjustment completed. Text engraving. Click on text. Input content. Select solid. Rotate the font 90 degrees. Then, next step. Adjust the size. Check the rotary shaft. Adjust the preview brightness to 5. Click the box to position the preview position. After adjusting the text size and position, next step. Power 100, speed 30. Carve once. Clarity is high. After confirming the parameters and position, just click Start Carving.